They're just like that. Super easy, guys. Alright guys, so a couple weeks ago I made a video where I manually popped my hood. Well, wouldn't you just know it, that now on the passenger side my hood lever is broken, but it's not exactly the lever and it's not the cable. It's this device here for adjusting the tension. It's made out of plastic and the threaded portion of the plastic broke off, so now I cannot adjust the tension, and you can see it's all slack and the latch is all the way over. It needs to be somewhere about in the middle or 2/3. I will never be able to open my hood like this. So what I did was I screwed the threaded portion back into the coupler, and I did that just so that it was secure. Just so that it's in place and secure and I don't lose it. I'm going to take the little nut and lock it into place. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do two things. One, I'm going to actually do the quick release cable system. I'm going to drill a small hole through here, run a stainless steel braided wire right into this latch with a loop out here so I can pull it. But I'm also going to attempt to fix this slack. And what I'm going to do is, with the same stainless steel braiding tools, I'm going to pull the slack out and put a new a stop here. So now at least the latch hopefully will still function. I just need to figure out a way to get the slack out of the cable, and that's the best thing I can come up with, is pulling up on this and then putting a different stop in here. I just put new safety releases on each side. The passenger side was broken. And that's why I did the emergency release. So I'm going to close the hood, and then I'm going to open the hood like I normally would. I'm expecting this side to pop and the other side not to, and then I will have to use my quick release. So let's see how this goes. The passenger side did not release. The passenger side did not release, so here it goes. They're just like that. Super easy, guys.